Now, I'm going to go over to Michael Henry Dunn here and ask you to talk a little bit about your understanding about why you guys are kind of coming to the fore, you know, for lack of a better word, cheerleading or promoting this organization. How did you, or how do you feel that the two of you got involved in spearheading this out to the public in such a way? Okay,
Michael, we
wait.
lost your microphone.
I
Okay.
politely muted upon request. Well, I would call us spokespersons for the ACIJ would probably be the best term for it. And, you know, when Matthew's talking about the values of the ancient historical institutions that he came, you know, to be given his prince title for working on behalf of those values. That's really, for me personally, sacred activism would probably be the best phrase that I could use to describe what really motivated me to become this involved, to become a spokesman for Justice for Humanity as the grassroots organization that's promoting the court. You know, as you know from our previous conversations, Kerry, you know, I withdrew from my career for some number of years to immerse in meditation. You know, growing up in Chicago, my mother and father were very idealistic, committed, missionary, holistic medical practitioners. And so I grew up with a sense of an obligation to give back, to improve the world. You know, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. King were heroes of mine growing up. And then I ended up really immersing myself in meditation. And sacred activism as a phrase derives from the work of Andrew Harvey. I don't know if you're familiar with him. He's an amazing man. And essentially recommends that all you folks who are out there being activists in the world against these horrific abuses, the suffering that's going on in the world, so often they get burned out, heart, soul, and mind, just below their circuits because of the sheer stress and despair that sets in. Those burned out activists need to be grounded in some kind of spiritual communion with Source. On the other hand, all you folks who've been going to the caves and meditating and immersing and actually getting in touch with the peace and joy of the soul, you need to take those values, those experiences of the value of the human soul and spirit and put that into action in the world.